A first aid kit holds supplies to treat minor injuries quickly, at home, work, or in vehicles. First aid kits contain items like bandages, wipes, scissors, and gloves to handle cuts, burns, and minor injuries effectively. Workplaces with special hazards need extra items like eye protection pads and thermal blankets in their first aid kits for safety. The kit should be clearly marked with a white cross on green and stored in a clean, dry, safe place for easy access. Regular checks and refills keep first aid kits ready. Training helps everyone use them confidently in emergencies.